Oh yes, I'm blessed. Yeah, yeah. Oh yes, I'm blessed. Yeah, yeah. Oh yes, I'm blessed. Oh yes, I'm blessed. Yeah, yeah. Oh yes, I'm blessed. Oh yes, I'm blessed. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Haters won't bring me down. Never will they break me down. Never will I make a sound. Yes, my I wear the ground. Oh yes, I'm blessed. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh yes, I'm blessed. Oh yes, I'm blessed. Yeah, I'm straight because they know I'm blessed.
Hey, what's up, Rebel Gang? It's Bonitarebel. I'm here today with a makeup review, and I'm going to be teaching you guys how to beat your face. And this is all drugstore makeup, so you guys are about to like definitely love this because I love it, and I'm just like, okay, shit. Today is the day. Today is the day I show you guys how to beat your face from start to finish. These are all, except the eyebrows I didn't get to do on camera, but it's okay. If you like this hair is from Longqi. Have their 26, 26, 24, and 20 inch closure. So, and if you guys haven't already, go ahead and like and subscribe to my YouTube. Go ahead and turn on your notifications so you guys can see when I'm posting. Go on my Instagram at Bonitarebel, follow me, and then go ahead and go on Snapchat at Bonitarebel and follow me. And go ahead and go on SoundCloud, follow my music, and go ahead and get Bonita season it out right now. Love you guys, and stay tuned. I hope you guys like this, and I hope you guys like this quality too. Put a lot of hard work, and Bonitarebel's coming back out. Hey, what's up, Rebel Gang? I was already creating this video. Next thing you know, I see that it didn't record me doing my eyebrows, which is okay because something that I wanted to try out. I was just spending money. These shadow shields, they're original because these are for beginners. So this is like a beat face for beginners. These are shadow shields. They're like $5 at Walmart, and you place them under your freaking eye. Okay, so I got these. This is NYX. I got this from Target. This is their medium. Use this over my eyelids as the base of it. You know me, everybody knows I like thin concealer. I hate thin concealer. There's no point to even have thin concealer even created. I hate pink light concealer. So what we're gonna do is, this is a Morphe, $15 at Ulta, so I think this is very affordable. So it has some very beautiful colors. So I'm gonna do some orange as the base. So I'm just gonna swirl it and just like blend it all on the crease. Like, just keep building the orange. I'm going to use kind of like a dark and just go in on the crease. I'm gonna put some more concealer on, and I've seen people on YouTube like do that whole like, oh shit, I'm doing it. I wasn't gonna do it, but I might as well. Yeah, we're gonna do some gold. I don't know how this is gonna look. Gold. And then you just pat it on the concealer. The concealer just helps it come out more. I'm gonna go back in with that orange and just kind of blend so it won't have like a rough mark. Some people like that, but I don't want that. Yo, I love this Jaclyn Hill shit. Boom. Now I'm done with the eyeshadow in a way, so until later you'll see me do some more stuff. Yeah, that definitely took some time out. And look, all right, look. It's not really bleeding in, but if it did, it's okay. It's okay. We're gonna get that. So next, what I'm about to use, you guys, is e.l.f. HD Lifting Concealer. And I'm going to put that under my eyes. So what I'm going to do is just do like this under here. And this is the HD lifting. So don't worry about the color. Y'all probably gonna look at this color like, what the fuck? And this is in the color Fair. So this is very light, but it's okay. You don't want it damp because this is going under your foundation. And then something else that gets dark is I use this red concealer. This is from Target. And this is the Master Crayon Corrector. Just put it for the dark areas. So I always get dark right here. So now is the fun part. So this is the True Match Oil Free. Yeah, so this is mahogany. I have not used this ever in my life. I've always wanted to use it. I'm gonna put this all over my face. I put some on my neck. There's never really no right or wrong way. Stay Matte Rimmel Shine Control. And it says it locks in makeup. So what we're gonna do is just, it's just spray that. It smells so good though. I just found my favorite foundation. That's $8. Boy, when I tell you. When it comes to contouring, this is going to be really step by step. Okay, so one thing that you want to do is make sure that it's a little bit brighter than underneath. Like, just, it all depends on how you like it. If you like to look white under, that's your choice. You like to look yellow, or you like to look orange. I like more of the yellow orangey tone. So I create a triangle. Anywhere where you want to highlight, and I like to highlight just wherever I think that's gonna come out pretty on pictures. I do this for the photos, okay? So what I like to do is still use the same beauty blender that I use for the foundation, just so it can like mix. So I'm gonna take that and damp it again, and now is where you beat the hell. It blends, needs to blend. So what I'm gonna do is just, I like having this side. At first I didn't, I was like, why? But now I just take it to blend in everything. Probably looking like, girl, your face is light. But you're right. So now what we're going to do is something that's my favorite when contouring. You gotta get something either for our skin tone color. Don't get something so dark and harsh where you look so dark. I like more of that milk chocolate look, like an espresso cappuccino. Nothing too dark. So I'm gonna show you. This is from Sephora. This was like $15, I think. And this is their Make No Mistake foundation and concealer stick, so you can use this as foundation. And this is in the color Mahogany. You don't want to use too much. Do it like this. You see that? Okay. So you'll see how I do it, and just keep brushing up. So don't worry about it if it looks too, you know, Now set the face. So what we're going to do is set the face. We're going to set the face. I actually went to Walgreens and got this. I was very happy with it. This is the Black Radiance True Complexion Loose Setting Powder, and I love it. It's Black Radiance, and it's like, remind me of Shashka whatever setting powder, but I like this a little bit better. It smells better, and it's cheaper. It's $9, and you can't beat that for $9. This is like probably like the most important thing ever. It's setting under. There's some people that just sets under their eyes. I don't. Someone did that for one of my video shoots, and I was pissed off beyond. He just set the under, and that's it. Like, that's it. I was like, no, bro. Take this off. Take it off and just, I don't leave it on there for too long, unless I'm going like to a wedding or something. I'm like, oh yeah, you look kind of light now, you know, we look kind of dark still. So I was like, all right, so there's some spots, like of course, that you don't like, that's looking a little bit too light. So I'm going to open this up. It's a True Match L'Oreal. What I'm gonna do is just swiftly, you know, get a lot of this, and then what I'm gonna do is do it where I need it to blend, so it won't look so hard. This is how you get everything to blend. Got this from my beauty supply. I'm pretty sure it's like in everybody's beauty supply. Let me open it. And this is something that I've been using, and I'm gonna use this for my cheeks. I use the two darkest colors right here, and I just, you know, fix my eyebrows again just so it can be lined. Okay, so now I got these on. So now what I'm going to do, and this is I've been waiting to show you guys. This is from Ulta. This was $15, I think 20 or $15. I had to get this. I was going to get Anastasia's glow kit, but this was like $15, and this is all the freaking glows, you guys. Like, oh my gosh. Let's go with the bird. And I like to do this because I don't like my nails like it too highlighted. Use Sweet and use that under my. That's perfect. Never beat until you put a highlight right here. We're gonna use Call again because I feel like Call. No, we're gonna use Shady because a lot of bitches are shady. So we're gonna use this. We're gonna use Shady. Need something brighter. We're gonna use Pearl then. We need something like white to offset it, like, oh, I got something there. So let's just do like a glove. Okay, so next what I'm going to do is use this setting spray all over my face. And this is the same one I was using for all of my other stuff. I'm still spraying, bitch. And I'm gonna keep spraying. And I hope you guys like this beat face tutorial. I hope you guys do. Go ahead and like and subscribe. Go ahead and do what you guys need to do. I hope you guys like it. And it's Bonitarebel. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Snapchat. Follow my SoundCloud. I'm gonna be posting music on there too. I love you guys so much, Rebel Gang. I love you guys. Mwah.